no pop, so I'm trying to make it pop. Oh, there you go. That's a cop. Hell nah, my boy.
I just picked up something from Mercedes. It's a one-on-one. The one that I want.
Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. We have a sick POV today. So let me just give you all a walk around of the car. I do have the star lights. It's daytime right now, so it's not the brightest. And I got the ambient lighting. And if you guys want any product for your car, like your BMW or anything, feel free to check out my website. The carbon wheels, side skirts, diffusers, trunk clips. I have everything on my website, link in the description. This is my 2016 BMW 340i. It is stage 2 MHD. I have all my settings in the description if you guys want to set your variables to the same or anything. And I'm stage 3 XHP. That's all that's done to the car. I have a full exhaust. Everything is in the description, like I said. I won't do too much talking. The road is actually over there. It's like some little, not really canyons, because it is a sick road. It has a lot of turns, a lot of hills. It is hella dead right now. It's only like 12:44. Yeah, it should be a pretty good drive. I won't do too much talking. I'll just let y'all enjoy the POV. I'll get my head mount set up and everything. And some of you guys asked, yes, my car is lower than H&R Super Sport Springs. But yeah, that's all about, that's done to it. Alright, so don't mind my check engine light. That's just from the front mount intake. But the car is cool. There's a few things I need to sort out, but for now it's pretty good. So I'm just going to that road over there. And the whole drive starts from there. So hope you guys enjoy it. I think it goes much further though, if I'm not wrong. Oh no, boys, I should probably use my maps, but only thing, I'm recording on my main phone right now. This is my second phone. Alright, boys, I was thinking I'm a little bit too smart, so now I gotta go 16 minutes away. I thought I knew where I was going without my GPS, but I didn't. But this was a sick road either way, so I'm just going back down. And I'm like, might as well record going back down for y'all, so. Mexico has the best roads, I swear. If you guys know these roads in Mexico, drop in the comment section, let me know. Alright, y'all, so I don't know where I am right now, but this house is sick, so I just parked up here. Yeah, I think this is the road actually. Oh, no pops. I'm trying to make it pop. Oh, there you go. And it's actually gonna rain. It's raining a little bit right now. I can feel it because my window's a little bit down. He ain't even turning. All right, I'm gonna just let him take his gap. Yeah, my car moves. Handles pretty good too. This is like some Assetto Corsa shit. I'm gonna send my boy this video. Yo, oh fuck. These people living my dream. I think I can head back now though. Let me just give it one last little walk around. I'll pass this bike around the way. Imagine they say so. I was ripping it too. The car's looking like, man, this thing looks sick. Let me get moving because I really shouldn't be stopped here. Sick Mustang. But yeah, this thing looks sick. Damn, this leaf almost made its way in. Fuck, that's so random. Oh, this is the house again. Let me give it a good look. Big baller. That Lincoln is sick. I know someone that like Lincoln SUVs a lot. Watching this video, you know yourself. Shout out to you though. Yo, I love this weather, man. If I could have this all year round, it'd be perfect. I feel like when you do have it all year round, you don't appreciate it as much. That's a cough. Hell nah. I ain't trying to do all that. Hell nah, my boy. I think that's the way I was coming from too. So going this way, at least I'll see. Oh shit. I didn't know we had a stop sign this whole time. Man, this thing is fun. Yo, this shit sounds good too. Look at that 4 Series. Sick ass color. I would actually live here, bro. If I had the money for it. I wish he turned, bro. Damn, probably that's my sign though. I'm gonna take that as my sign. Enough is enough. I had enough fun in Mexico. Damn, it's raining. If I see any like cool views or anything, I'll just get some cinematics for y'all. It's really tempting though. Look at that. Look at that. But sometimes you just gotta know your limits. You really gotta know your limits sometimes. But maybe this is the end of the video. I don't know. You guys keep watching. I'll see if I record anything cool for y'all. But hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. Because I can make more of them. There's hella roads like this. As y'all. Alright, real quick, boys. It is raining, but I was driving by this spot. Oh, I think that truck works. Shit. I probably gotta move. But I was driving by this spot. Man, my car looks sick here. Let me just show y'all again. That is sick. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some footage for probably like some shorts or something, because the car actually looks sick right here. And that thing looks insane. Looks like I crashed this thing. How low it is.